Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Fortnite character from this season. This time it's gonna be the very cool looking Haven with a cat mask. So here's my full pencil sketch sped up, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking character, and let's draw in the head first. And this is just going to be a circle. Looks like a little bit squished in. But if it's easier, just draw any kind of circle. Okay, so round it out, and yeah, I know freehand circles are really tough. You know, you can use any kind of drawing aid to help you if you want to. So mine's is a little bit warped, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and continue. So from this circle, we're gonna draw in the mouth first on the bottom. So right on the bottom right here, I'm just gonna draw, it's almost like a little hamburger shape. All right, and then from here, before we draw in the details, let's go ahead and draw in the big eyes. So once we have this part, you make two little dots right here, and this will be the corner of the eye right here. So we're gonna go all the way up here. Let's just make two little dots right here as well. So this part is really tricky. So just go up and just curve out. And trying to make it symmetrical, which is even harder. Okay, so once we have this, now we can draw on the bottom. So we're gonna come down, just curve in. And from this big shape here, this actually looks like the Spider-Man mask. We're gonna draw in the inside right here. Just on the corner. Just a little egg shape. And now one more line. Let's see, right around here, the center of this curve. Just wrap it around. All right, and then one more detail. I guess this part's a little bit easier now that we've drawn in the harder part. Just draw a curve coming into the center here. And I'm just gonna draw a circle here. I know there's a lot of little details, but we'll simplify it and make it a little bit easier. All right, so let's finish up the mouth right here. So just one line in the center. The nose, it's one little curve, come down in the center, and then for teeth right here, you can just draw in two lines like that. All right, so let's continue on, and let's see, come to the side here, right on the side of the eye. I'm just gonna go out, and we're gonna come back in all the way here. So just wrap it around. And then now for ears, let's see, we can make, let's see, two little dots. So the beginning and the end here for the ear. So we just go out, come back in here. Again, a little bit of a tricky shape here. Mine's is way off, but that's okay. All right, so just try to make it a little bit more symmetrical, not like mine, okay? And then let's see, once we have that, just come down. Pretty much a little border. All right, so maybe that's okay too, it gives it a little bit more personality. All right, so let's continue on. Now let's draw in the body. So her neck. Two little lines here. See, we're gonna go out on the shoulders. So just curve it down like this first. Okay, so this is gonna be your shoulder. Now from this point here, we're just gonna go all the way up. Because our sweater is open over here. And right here, we're gonna draw in the strap. All right, and then from here, we're gonna draw in the armpit area right here. And we're gonna come down. Come down a little bit more on this side. Again, this thing's gonna be slanted. And I'm just gonna close that off first. And we can add in just one little line here. Finish up the sweater. And then now we're gonna come across here. And then just close this off. Okay, so the top part is gonna be the sweater, and this is gonna be the, I guess, her pants. All right, and then from here we can draw in, let's go ahead and draw in the legs first. Okay, so we're gonna keep coming down in the center here, just draw one little line. Now we're gonna draw the legs on the outside. We'll just curve this out. Go back to the inside, just come down. And we can actually, now let's come down here, let's keep going down. We'll flare this out and close it off. Let's add one section here. It's got her pants kind of folded up. All right, so let's continue down and we can add in the details later. Okay, her legs, very skinny. Now when I come down here, she's not wearing any shoes. This side's gonna go out a lot more. Okay, so just come down and just close this off. Let's go out. Okay, so and let's see, let's add the details on the foot. We'll just finish this part up first. Just draw one curve. And then for her toes, I'm just gonna draw in a couple of lines here. We'll keep it simple. And for the straps, we can add in some lines. All right, and then let's see the knee pads right here. Pretty much a little egg shape. And then her strap right here is a little bit strange. Draw one line like that. And then on the bottom here, we'll come in. We'll stop here, just come down and then just go in here. Hope you guys can see, I know it's a little bit small. And then this one's just gonna go like this. All right, and I know she has a knife here. I'm just gonna skip that part. I'd rather draw her sleeve right here. So now we're gonna draw in her arms. So she's got really baggy sweaters here. So I'm just gonna draw a wavy line all the way down here. For this part, just come in and then just close that off. So it's really baggy. Okay. Just add one little section here. And for her hands, it's gonna be kind of smaller here. Here's her thumb. We just keep it cartoony. Okay, we can curve for the other fingers and just kind of roll that up. So one little hook with the thumb. Just come down. Just tuck it right underneath the thumb. All right, and let's see, what else are we missing? Oh, we're missing the little ponytail here. So this one's easy. And then for this part here, just kind of zigzag. Doesn't have to be exactly the same. And then this part's gonna be really sharp. And that is it for this very cool looking Haven. Hope you guys like the way it turned out. And if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.